Hello.
Hello, sir.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we'll wait a little till 1 o'clock. Okay, now. So we'll start this class. Okay. I'm going to start this class. Okay, now. So listen up. So which lesson we are studying? In our previous class, which lesson we are studying? Hello. Hello. Can you tell me which lesson we are studying?
Sir, English literature, The White Elephant.
Okay, we are reading English literature lesson The White Elephant. So had we
Yes,
done
sir.
questions? Had we done questions of this lesson?
No, sir.
We had not done questions. Okay, so now, okay, we'll write questions.
इसमें
From which question?
आयुषी
Hello. So now, please, you keep your camera on your camera. You all on your camera. Hello, you all. Keep your camera on. Keep your camera on. Keep your camera on. You all. Okay, now Abhinesh Sinha, on your camera. So now, so are we to start? Are we to write questions from question one, or had we written some questions? Tell me. हम लोग को कहाँ से लिखना है? क्या हम लोग कुछ क्वेश्चंस लिख चुके हैं या शुरू से लिखना है? रिया, मैम बताओ। तुम लोगों ने लिखा था ना अपने कॉपी में क्वेश्चंस? मुझे लगता है कि मेरी से फर्स्ट सेकंड थर्ड लिखवा दिया है।
सर आप इंग्लिश लिटरेचर सेकंड का क्वेश्चन आंसर लिखवा दिए?
यस सर, आप फर्स्ट सेकंड थर्ड लिखवा दिए हैं।
लिखवा दिए है ना? हाँ, चलो आगे
Yes,
लिखेंगे हम
sir.
लोग। फोर्थ लिखेंगे हम लोग। राइट नाउ, द व्हाइट एलिफेंट, द व्हाइट एलिफेंट
यार तलवार हो, पेंसिल तलवार।
Listen now, I'm going to write this answer in the chat, okay? And you all will see here in the chat. The white refused to eat anything in the place because he was worried about his mother alone and starving in the forest. मदर छूटा हुआ है यहाँ पे. Now, can you see this answer? Can you see this answer?
Yes, sir.
Tell me all. Divyansh, can you hear me? Divyansh, can you hear me? Divyansh, I'm talking to you. Divyansh, so done. Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now I'm going to write the answer of the next question. The king helped the elephant by allowing him his freedom to return to his mother. So tell me, are you writing all?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now. Show me your copy. Let me see you. Let me see your copy. So now tell me, is it done? Hello, is it done?
Yes, sir.
So now show me your copy. Let me see. You all, you all on your camera and show me your copy. The answers that you've written. Let me see your copy. Mayank, Aditya, can you all hear me? Listen, if you're not on your camera, then I will punish you on the next class. In the next class, okay? On your camera, Mayank, Onesh, Aditya, on your camera. Can you hear me? Hello? Okay, I'll talk to you all in offline class. So now look here. So today we are going to start a new lesson. It's clear? Hello? Hello, can you all hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
listen. The lesson third, Leisure, written by W. H. Davis. This poem today we are going to start. It's clear? It's clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now. So tell me, I'm to ask you some questions and you have to tell me answer. So what do you do in free time? Mayank, tell me. Mayank, tell me what do you do in free time?
Yes, sir.
You can see this question in your book.
Yes, sir.
So you'll tell me. Can you see this question on page number 15? Question first.
What do you do in free time?
Okay, so you answer. Answer.
Playing, reading.
What? What? What are you telling?
Playing, reading, sir.
Playing.
Reading.
So you tell your answer. I read and play in my free time. Okay. List at least five things that you want to do but can't do because of lack of time. Tell list at least five things that you want to do but can't do because of lack of time. ऐसे फाइव थिंग्स के बारे में बताना है, फाइव वर्क के बारे में बताना है जिसको तुम करना चाहते हो लेकिन ड्यू टू लैक ऑफ टाइम तुम उसको नहीं कर पाते हो. Anyone raise your hand who would like to tell answer? Hmm? Hello? Anyone? Raise your hand. Raise your hand if you want to answer, and if you don't want to answer, then down your hand. Show your hands. Okay, down or up. Show you all. Show you all your hands. Okay, now let me ask to Aditya Sarup. Aditya Sarup, you will tell me one thing that you want to do but can't do because of lack of time. तुम एक ऐसे वर्क के बारे में बताओगे जिसको तुम करना चाहते हो लेकिन टाइम न होने की वजह से तुम उसको नहीं कर पाते. क्या? आदित्य स्वरूप. आदित्य. अनुष्का. अनुष्का शंकर. Anushka, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Tell me one thing that you want to do but can't do because of lack of time.
Sometimes I want to drawing, but I cannot do due to lack of time.
Okay. Sometime you want to
Draw.
draw. You want to make drawings, but you can't do because of
Yes,
lack
sir.
of time. Okay. So now Namrata. Namrata.
Yes, sir.
Okay. One action, one work that you want to do but can't do because of lack of time.
Sir, painting.
Painting. So you will say that I want to make paintings but I can't do because of lack of time. Next, Riya. Riya Ranjan. Okay, now you tell me one work, one task.
Sir, painting.
Painting. Okay, it's told. Tell something new. Tell something new, Riya. Tell something new. Hmm? Tell. I want to go to market, but I can't go because of lack of time. So these are the activities that we can mention here. Okay. So now let me come to these three questions. So do you enjoy the fast and hectic life of a metro city or the slow and peaceful village life far away from a city? Which life you like? A life of metro that is full of hectic life or slow and peaceful village life? Which life? Tell me. This question is for Mayank. Mayank, you will tell. Anushka Shankar, Mayank, let me first ask to Mayank, and then after I will come to you.
Yes.
Anushka. Mayank, you
Yes, sir.
tell me, which life you like? Metro city life or village life? Hmm? Do it fast. Anushka Shankar, tell. Anushka Shankar speak
Sir, peaceful village life. Peaceful village
the
life.
slow and peaceful village life far away from a city. Okay. So now in four, make a list of at least five places. Five places means here it's told that about hill stations. Hill stations, can you name some hill station? Can you name some hill stations? Anyone? Honest enough. Can you hear me? He will
Yes,
tell
sir.
me. He will tell me the name of two hill stations. Why? You don't know the name of hill stations? Means any place that is situated on the height of mountain where people go in their summer vacation for a holiday. Mayank, Mayank tell. Mayank, okay now. Anushka, Anushka tell.
Yes, sir. Jammu. Yes, sir. Jammu Kashmir and Uttarakhand.
Jammu Kashmir
Sir,
and
Manali.
Uttarakhand are the name of the states, the not the name of hill stations.
Manali, sir.
Manali, Kulu Manali and Simla,
The hill.
Simla,
Sir, Nainital.
Sir,
Nainital,
Himachal Pradesh.
Mount Abu, Ooty, Darjeeling, huh? Lahaul Spiti, Leh and Ladakh. So these are the names of hill stations, okay, that anyone would like to visit. So actually, we are going to read today a poem. The name of the poem is Leisure, okay, and this poem is written by W.H. Davis. Leisure means free time. Leisure, what does this word mean? Leisure means free time. Leisure means what?
Free time.
Free time. Okay.
Free
So
time.
okay. So we'll know a little about this poem. Who is this W. H. Davis? W. H. Davis was an English poet born in a poor family in Wales. Okay. So W. H. Davis was an English poet who was born in a poor family. Means this poet was born in a poor family in Wales, in the city of Wales, and this city Halls in England. This is a city of England. Okay. And this writer, this poet has written mostly about nature or life on the road. And this poet has written mostly, it means more often written about nature or life on the road. Means the poem of this writer is about nature, means the things which have been made by God. Okay. और लाइफ ऑन द रोड, और जो सड़क पे जो जिंदगी होती है, जैसे यू नो दैट इन सिटीज जो पीपल होते हैं, जो जिनके पास जो होमलेस होते हैं, वो सड़क किनारे रहते हैं, झुग्गी झोपड़ियों में रहते हैं, तो उनकी जो जिंदगी है, उनके जो कष्ट है, उसके बारे में ये अपनी कविताओं में लिखते हैं. ही राइट्स इन अ नेचुरल सिंपल अर्थली स्टाइल. ये जो पोएट है वेरी मतलब सिंपल यानी इजी लैंग्वेज में, नेचुरल यानी जो कि किसी को भी समझ में आ सके, और एकदम मतलब कहो तो एकदम सरल अंदाज में ये लिखते हैं. और इनका जो पोएम लेजर है, ये जो है जो मॉडर्न मैन है उसका जो प्रिडिकामेंट है उसको ये डिपिक्ट करता है, जो कि हु हैज गेन द होल वर्ल्ड बट हैज लॉस्ट हिज ओन सोल. जिन्होंने वो जो आज का जो मॉडर्न मैन है, जिसने पूरे वर्ल्ड पे मतलब जो कि पूरे वर्ल्ड पे जो है वो अपना गेन अपना कंट्रोल जो है वो एस्टेब्लिश कर लिया है. यानी उसने कई ऐसी चीजें जो है इन्वेंट की कर लिया है, जिससे उसके लाइफ जो है काफी इजी हो गई है. वो चाहे तो सुबह में टी जो है इंडिया में पिएगा, और शाम का टी जो है चाहे तो किसी और देश में वो चाइना में जाकर पी सकता है. तो ऐसा मतलब जो है फास्टेस्ट मीन्स ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट, कई जो है चीजें जो है हम लोग कहीं भी दूर दूर बैठे व्यक्ति से जो है बातचीत कर सकते हैं. तो ऑल दीज थिंग्स आर अवेलेबल एंड मैन हैड इन्वेंटेड. ओके. बट वन थिंग दैट इज वेरी सैड थिंग दैट मैन हैड लॉस्ट हिज ओन सोल. लेकिन व्यक्ति जो है अपना जो है सोल यानी मीन्स अपना जो उसका जो पीस है उसको खो दिया है. ठीक है. तो यहाँ पे हम लोग इस पोएम को पढ़ने वाले हैं. सुनो, आई एम गोइंग टू आस्क वन ऑफ यू टू रीड दिस पोएम. अनुष्का शंकर. अदर वन, व्हाट्स अबाउट अदर्स? I am certainly going to see all the students and besides you in offline class. Okay. And then I will ask about all these things that you are not here participating. So now, Namrata, Aditya, what's about Aditya? So now, Namrata, I am going to give you chance this time to read this poem, okay? And we will start with this reading.
Yes, sir. What is this life if full of care? We have no time to stand and stare, no time to stand beneath the boughs and stare as long as ships or cows, no time to see when woods we pass where squirrels hide their nuts in grass, no time to see in broad daylight streams full of stars like skies at night. No time to turn at beauty glens and watch her fit how they can dance. No time to wait till her mouth can enrich that smile her eyes begin. A poor life this, if full of care. We have no time to stand and stare.
Okay, now Anushka, you will read this poem. You will recite this poem.
Yes, sir. What is this life if full of care? We have no time to stand and stare, no time to stand beneath the boughs and stare as long as ships or cows, no time to see when woods we pass where squirrels hide their nuts in grass, no time to see in broad daylight, streamfuls of stars like skies at night, no time to turn at beauty's glance and watch her feet how they dance, no
Before
time to
that,
wait until mouth can enrich.
okay,
Yes, sir.
continue.
Enrich that smile, her eyes begin a poor life, this if full of care, we have no time to stand and stare.
Okay, now. So now look here. I'm going to explain this poem. The poem whose title is Leisure, written by W.H. Davis. And I have told you that this poet is an English poet who was born in Wales, a city of England. And this poet writes about nature and the life on road. Okay, so here in this poem, the poet is writing about the means predicament means difficulties of modern men who have gained control over the world but has lost his soul. ओके, जिसने पूरे दुनिया पे तो अपना जो है विजय हासिल कर लिया है, अपना जो है कंट्रोल जो है उसने हासिल कर लिया है, लेकिन कहीं ना कहीं अपना जो पीस है, जो उसकी अपनी अंतरात्मा की आवाज है, उसको सुन पाने में वो कहीं ना कहीं असफल है. So here in this prayer, what is this life? If full of care, we have no time to stand and stare, no time to stand beneath the bough and stare as long as sheep or cows, no time to see when woods we pass, where squirrels hide their nuts in grass. Here in these lines, the poet is keeping the thought, okay, what is this life, what is our life if it is full of several troubles, several anxieties, okay, lots of problems, if our life is full of, and if you have no time to stand and stare, and if you have no time at least to stand and to see what's around and about us, what's in our surrounding, if we have no time to look at those things, so this life is totally useless. Okay, no time to stand beneath the boughs. And listen, if we don't have time to stand under the shade of trees, okay, under the cool shade of the trees, and to look at the things which is uh, around and about of a tree, and if we don't have time as much as sheep or cows that they have, okay, simple animals have such type of free time, okay, to enjoy all the beauties of the nature, but we human beings are very miserable, so we don't have time to, okay, look and enjoy such things, no time to see when woods we pass, where squirrels hide their nuts in grass, and we don't have time to see, okay, when we are passing through any woods, means passing through any forest, and if we don't have time to see what's what's there happening, and we don't have time to see if a squirrel who is hiding its nuts in grass, okay, मतलब हम लोग अगर जंगल से गुजर रहे हैं और हमारे पास जो है गुजरते समय इतना भी समय नहीं है कि हम लोग जो छोटे जानवर हैं, जो कई तरह के जो शरारतें करते हैं और वो अपनी हरकतें करते हैं और जो कि हमको देखने का मन करता है, लेकिन हम लोग उसको देख नहीं पाते हैं, ठीक है, क्योंकि हम लोग के पास समय नहीं होता है, तो इस पे कवि कहता है कि our life is totally useless and boring. No time to see in broad daylight a streams full of stars like a skies at night. अगर हमारे पास इतना भी समय नहीं है कि दिन के उजाले में, पूरी तरह से दिन के उजाले में, ब्रॉड डे लाइट मतलब पूरी तरह से दिन के उजाले में जो नदियां हैं जिनमें जो सूरज की रोशनी जब पड़ती है तो वो जो है नदियों में तारों की तरह एक झिलमिल चमक उत्पन्न होती है और ये चमक जो है देखने में ऐसा लगता है जैसे कि मानो कि आकाश में रात में जो तारे होते हैं, ठीक है, जैसे दिखलाई पड़ते हैं वैसे इन नदियों में जो सूरज की रोशनी के पड़ने के कारण जो तारों की तरह एक नजारा वहां पे उत्पन्न होता है जिसको हम लोग देख नहीं पाते हैं। तो यहाँ पे पोएट बोलता है कि ये लाइफ जो हम लोग का टोटली जो है एक यूजलेस है। नो टाइम टू टर्न एट ब्यूटीज ग्लांस एंड वॉच हर फीट हाउ दे कैन डांस। अगर हमारे पास इतनी भी समय नहीं है कि जो गॉड ने जो भी बनाया है, नदी पहाड़ झरने, ठीक है, और पेड़ पौधे, जो तरह तरह के पेड़ पौधे हैं उनको हम लोग देख सके और उनको जो है देख सके कि वे कैसे, ठीक है, तरह तरह से जो है वो मूव करते हैं। अगर हमको ये देखने का अगर हमारे पास समय नहीं है तो फिर हमारा लाइफ जो है टोटली वेस्ट वेस्ट है। No time to wait till her mouth can enrich that a smile her eyes began. और इतनी भी फुर्सत नहीं है कि हम लोग जो है वो गिलहरी जो कि जो नट्स है या फिर जो भी जैसे ग्राउंड नट्स जनरली जो है जो ये स्क्विरल्स होती है वो लाइक करती है, उसको जो है खाना पसंद करती है, तो उसको अपने मुंह में डालते हुए और इसके बाद उसकी आंखें से एक मुस्कुराहट का जो एक एहसास है उसको हम लोग जो है देख नहीं पाते हैं, इतना भी हम लोग पास समय नहीं है। अ पुअर लाइफ दिस इफ फुल ऑफ केयर, और ये जिंदगी बिल्कुल ही पुअर है, ओके, ये बिल्कुल ही मीनिंगलेस है अगर हमारी लाइफ पूरी तरह से क्या है, केवल बस हम लोग हमेशा चिंताओं से घिरे रहे, बस कि अभी आज ये करना है, अब इसके बाद ये करना है, अरे मेरे को ये अभी मैंने नहीं किया, ये करना है, इस तरह की सोच हमारे दिमाग में बस केवल चलते रहे और हमारे पास समय न रहे कि हम लोग देख सके कि हमारे आसपास कितनी सुंदर सुंदर चीजें मौजूद है, तो फिर ये हमारा जो है ये जिंदगी जो है व्यर्थ है। इट्स क्लियर? हेलो, क्लियर?
Yes, sir.